And here come those numbers now for initial jobless claims, a slight tick down, in fact, from the prior week at 472,000. For continuing claims, that is at 4.45 million. That is pretty much in line with what analysts had expected. Let me give you some of those other numbers. For non-farm productivity, down at 1.8%, but that is actually less than what economists had estimated. And also for unit labor costs, a gain of 1.1%, also almost in line with what the street had looked for. I want to get to Mike McKee, our economics editor, who's standing by. Mike, what do you make of this? There's not a lot of difference here in these jobless claims numbers.
No, but that means that we probably have to look at the trend, and the trend, at least, is better. It was a loss of 6,000 fewer initial claims, so we're going in the right direction. We're just not going very quickly. But at least it's confirmation that maybe the move we saw in the end of July, beginning of August, higher has ended, and we're starting to go lower. We're still not seeing a significant move down, but that may be to come if we see continued growth in the economy. And we're seeing a reason that companies may want to start hiring more people in the productivity numbers because, as you say, they are twice as bad as initially reported, down 1.8%.
Right.
Employee hours, little changed at 3.5%, so we're getting less out of what we have, and that means that they may need to start hiring. The bad news is unit labor costs rose 1.1%, initially reported as a 0.2% gain. So it's costing a little bit more for employers at this point to add people. Maybe that is a result of the health care law.
Right. And this data, Mike, I mean, it's not going to tell us one way or another where the Fed might move next, right? I mean,
no, we have a day of data like that. Really, tomorrow is the number that everybody's going to be watching, is going to have some sort of effect on the Fed. Today, you and I were talking at the top of the hour. These are kind of yes, but numbers. Yes, they might be bad or good, but they aren't really going to have much of an effect.